Experiencing connection problems between your AirPods Pro 3 and MacBook? You're not alone. These devices are designed for seamless integration, but occasional hiccups can occur. This video guides you through the most effective solutions, focusing on Bluetooth connectivity, sound output settings, and resetting your AirPods. We'll cover solutions validated as of September 25, 2025, and address common issues related to macOS 15 and later. First, check your Bluetooth settings. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled and your MacBook is discoverable. Remove and repair the AirPods if needed. Next, verify sound output settings in System Settings. Make sure your AirPods are selected as the output device and check for any audio balance issues. If issues persist, reset your AirPods by placing them in the case, opening the lid, and pressing the setup button for 15 seconds until the light flashes. For optimal performance, ensure your MacBook is running macOS 15 or later, as this provides the best compatibility with AirPods Pro 3. First, ensure both your MacBook and AirPods Pro 3 are updated to the latest software versions. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues. Then, check your MacBook's Bluetooth settings to confirm the AirPods are properly paired and selected as the audio output device in System Settings, Sound. If problems persist, reset your AirPods Pro 3 by opening the case, pressing and holding the setup button on the back until the status light flashes amber, then white. Repair them with your MacBook. If sound output is glitchy after reset, toggle spatial audio off-on in Sound Settings. These steps resolve most software-related connectivity issues.